guys, I'm Shara from the blog and YouTube channel Woodshop Diaries, and today I would like to talk to you about this Vigoro Vermiculite soil amendment. Now you'll notice here that I've got both Vigoro Perlite and Vermiculite with me, and it's a common misconception that these two are the same thing. And while they share several similarities, like they're both lightweight, similar in texture, and they're both used for aeration in the soil, they do have a few key differences that it's important to note. So let's focus on Vermiculite for this video. This Vigoro Vermiculite is an organic asbestos-free soil amendment that promotes faster root growth and improves moisture retention and aeration in soils and potting mixes. Vermiculite can be used on its own, mixed with soil, or even mixed with both soil and perlite to reap the benefits of both. To put it simply, using vermiculite is kind of like adding little sponges to the soil to help keep it moist, but also to prevent the soil from packing together, giving the roots room to grow and spread out. One of the main differences between perlite and vermiculite is its ability to retain moisture. Vermiculite is more absorbent and retains moisture for longer than perlite, so vermiculite is good for use with plants that thrive in a more wet soil, like foliage plants. Vermiculite also makes a great seed starter medium. It holds on to air, moisture, and nutrition, releasing them as needed while young plants take root. Vermiculite is also a useful addition to lawns, especially when seeding. For ground with a lot of sand or clay, mixing vermiculite into the soil and adding a thin, moistened layer over new seed will allow the soil to hold water and air needed for quick growth. This Vigoro Vermiculite soil amendment is also registered with the Organic Materials Review Institute for earth-friendly gardening. So invigorate your plants, garden, and lawn with Vigoro's Vermiculite soil amendment available from the Home Depot.